Hey, it's Sam with Just Grillin' Outdoor Living. Today, we're gonna be cooking bacon jam burgers on the Weber SmokeFire pellet grill. There's a lot of ways to dress up a hamburger, but today's recipe is a simple and easy way to really elevate and add an upscale flair to such a simple meal without adding any extra work. So we're cooking on the Weber SmokeFire pellet grill. This thing can get up to 600 degrees, but we're gonna cook these burgers at 385 degrees Fahrenheit, because remember, you can always put something back on the grill, but once you overcook it, that's it. We're gonna be using hickory pellets today, and those are gonna pair really well with the burgers. The hickory pellets are gonna give off a nice smoky bacon flavor, and that's just gonna help bring out that robust bacon flavor from the jam, giving us an explosion of bacon. While we're waiting for the grill to come up to temperature, I'm gonna go ahead and form my burger patties. Today I'm using a ground chuck. Ideally, you wanna look for something that's an 80-20 or 90-10 mix. That's what you're gonna find in most restaurants. So to season the burgers, I'm going to be using the Cosmos Q SPG seasoning. Now SPG stands for salt, pepper, garlic. I want to add a good flavor to the beef, but nothing overpowering because I want the bacon jam to be the star of these burgers. To work the seasoning into the beef, you want to press down and then fold over, and you want to do this a couple of times until the beef has been fully coated. So to shape the patties, there's a couple different ways that you can do this. The easiest way is to use a burger press, which I'm going to use today. But you can also just get enough beef in the cup of your hand, work it into a ball, and clamp down. So the Weber SmokeFire is up to 385 degrees, so we're ready to put these burgers on. So the SmokeFire has direct flame capabilities, but I want to see how these burgers perform, so I'm going to put 2 on each side furthest away from the heat source. So we just got the burgers pulled off. They look really good, so it's time to build our burgers. So for the buns today, I'm using a brioche bun. You can really use whatever type of bun you want. It's just personal preference. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the burger loaded up. So it's time to add the bacon jam to the burgers. I've got 2 really good options to choose from, a bacon pepper dip or a hot pepper berry bacon jam. Now don't let the word bacon dip throw you off. It's gonna be a similar consistency to the bacon jam, so they're both gonna work really well and provide a really good flavor for these burgers. So to finish these burgers, the only other things I'm gonna put on there is lettuce, tomato, and pickle. I don't wanna put any other sauces on there because I really wanna taste that rich flavor from the bacon jams. So the bacon jam has a really nice rich flavor to it. This is cooked really well. You've got a nice little hint of the smoke from the pellets. It's perfect. So the Weber SmokeFire performed really well. It held our temperature great, and we got a lot of great flavors from the grill and the bacon jam. This was a quick and easy recipe, so we hope you give it a try. If you like this recipe, make sure you subscribe to our channel. Thanks, we'll see you soon.